know Vlad is nuts, but he's got a lot of connections, and I have a good feeling about him having a line on some... Sounds good? Let's go. Looks like they have cameras. Watch the alarms.
Let's break bad.
Okay, that's the minimum amount we agreed on. I'll get the driver.
Twitch here. Tell me what you need.
That hostage will definitely make them have to regroup. Buys you more time. The van's here. If you're done, get to it. If not, he'll wait until you're done. Nice guys. Sneaky and still sent a message. They lost the dough, and Vlad will be sure to point out to them that you are on his team.
You have sent message, and it was a good message. And I think it was... Fuck you! Loud and clear to everyone. Money